What's going on, YouTube? I'm out here in Houston. The view from my little living situation right now. It's raining. Oh, I was playing 2K. I'm finna go on here and do a breakfast run. Go get me something to eat. So I ain't gonna show it to y'all yet. I'm just gonna let y'all hear it. I thought I almost found my phone. Damn, Domo in the SRT now? Sheesh. Boy. It been clean, ain't gonna hold you. Damn, Domo. This shit kinda sweet. Sheesh. Nice little condo-like deal, you feel me? The bed space about nice as shit too, you feel me? Nice little setting. Sheesh. Walk-in closet with this bit. The bathroom immaculate. Oh, that's the jacuzzi joint. You can tub in this. Oh shit. Boy. Look, I know y'all probably like, why is this nigga? Because niggas ain't used to. God, you can't. Shit. God damn. Yeah. Yeah. See the shoe game real quick. Balenci. Black Forces. I can't wait till you take them bitches off, boy. He funny as hell for those. Get off the voices, yo. Let him see the drip. I'm ready to kick it over anytime. That's all I'm saying. These ain't coming out the box, so these will go back. But when you take these out the box, you feel me? Somebody get robbed. I'm gonna let him stick to that robbing lifestyle. I see what's going on. We doing those, those. And those my gym shoes, literally, when I work out. So, and then, let me tell y'all, I gotta look at it with this one. I ain't gonna need to lie to you. So, I forgot all my chargers are like USB-C nowadays. So, only USB port that I had was on my Xbox. Like, so I'm like,
you have to charge your Balenci?
Yeah, I gotta charge my Balenci.
They glow up or something?
Yeah, look.
Both pairs?
Yeah. Damn.
It still ain't charged.
No.
Oh, you supposed to.
Oh, you got a charger?
Yeah.
So yeah, those glow. I don't know if you see them charging up, but yeah, they charging. I'm finna put those Balencis on over there though right now. So this is just a drip check. So.
Well, cool, 1300.
What for these?
Balencis, yeah.
That pair over there was 12, and these I think I paid $9.95 plus tax with these. But I know those was $1,200 because they got the LED joints on them.
These joints are something.
What's on? Hey, and don't get it twisted. Besides the creases, I would wear these, bro.
Yeah, I don't want.
Cause these are grown man. I like doing a lot of grown man shit.
I don't want to fuck out else.
Damn, Dumbo. Nigga, bomb ain't down, ain't it? For what? With the Balencis. Sheesh.
Caught me off guard like a motherfucker.
Yeah, we out here in motherfucking Houston. Off guard is the best guard, nigga. We out here in Houston fucking shit up real quick. Don't walk in that dirt. I'm gonna talk shit about you. Yeah, it's a whole bunch of nice little bitties out here, you know what I'm talking about? It's the city shit. Woo! Damn, Dumbo. This man pulled up in the Hellcat. Meow, that bitch is purring. God damn. Oh, you putting gas in that bitch? Oh, I caught him slipping. God damn. Let's see what this bitch talking about. That motherfucker about clean as shit. Get a full little spin. Hold on. What that say? Nothing. It's a cat, bitch. Meow. You feel me? Hey, it's the Daytona too. You feel me? Like 180 or something out of 500 of these motherfuckers made. Tell them a little bit, little something about it, Damo. You feel me? Yeah. Just got that big ass washed.
Gotta fill up for that 93.
You feel me? Straight 93. Ain't no regular gas around here, bitch. Look at this shit. Ooh, boy. You talking about clean as a motherfucker. Look at them nostrils, boy. Smell everything. You know what I'm talking about? Tell me what it is, yo. It's hot as hell out here. Oh, in the Balencis. Oh, and this nigga ball main to the draws. This nigga, I don't know what kind of draws he got on. I was just talking shit. We gonna leave that there. No homo. This shit clean though. You know what I'm talking about? Ooh, boy. Yeah.
What's up?
Whip that hoe. Traffic, son of a bitch. Yeah, them all now. Niggas drip down, you feel me? This nigga got the Balenci. You feel me? Your boy got the Doc Martin song, you feel me? Rick and Morty's wipe your nose, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, it's like that right now. We on. Damn, Dumbo. You real deal done did it this time, fam. You see this shit? Y'all see this shit? Just take a peek. Yeah. He picked this shit. I ain't gonna hold you. This shit is like that. We got a whole motherfucking view of the city.
You see that shit?
That build across the way.
Yeah. I can't get it on the camera.
Shit hard, yo. Just the setting point blank period, bro. Like, I want you to record this, bro. This is us. This shit right here, this is finna happen, bro. Like, snap this shit. I don't know what the day is. It's probably like the 30th or some shit like that.
It's the 2nd. Tomorrow gonna be the 3rd.
Today is the 2nd of October, bro.
2021.
You hear me now, bro? This shit right here, this is us. We finna be balling just like this. Matter of fact, this shit's gonna seem lightweight to us one day. Just give it time. I promise. These fake ass chains is gonna be real. You feel me? Like, bruh,
He ain't never exposed the chains.
I don't give a fuck, bro. Like,
But that shit shining on camera though.
VV and none, VV. You feel me? Yeah. Quick look, gloss. Now I'm talking about, yeah.
But no, like, this is us, bro. Whether we do this shit together or apart, both of us is finna be on this level, my guy. And that shit's finna be fire. We gonna look at today and be like, damn, bro, like, you wasn't lying. Like, shit's finna be real, like, as fuck.
Bro, we got shots from the bar today. Oh my god. Oh my god,
yeah.
man.
Yeah. Skinny bitches shaking everything they had.
Giving us all they got.
But they gave us everything they had. But she threw her back, no time.